This is the lecture in which we are going to solve the numerical on the first law of thermodynamics. The numerical is given clearly in a thermodynamic system. If system does 100 calorie of work and absorbs 600 joule of heat same time, and they were asking about the change in internal energy of the system. Okay, but we already know about the law of thermodynamics clearly that the Q is equal to U plus W. In this case, the Q is a heat supplied to the system. It may be positive, it may be negative. It's depend on the either the heat is added to the system or it is rejected from the system. If heat is added to the system, then you have to take it as a positive. Okay, and in vice versa, if the heat is rejected, if the heat is if heat is rejected, then you have to take it as a negative. Simple. In the above equation, this is the equation number first. You have to write this equation as equation number first. Okay, so on above equation, if the heat is added to the system, you have to take it as a positive, and if the heat is rejected from the system, you have to take it as a negative. Simple. Okay, let's talk about the W. U is a change in internal energy of the system, and W is a work done of the system. Also, work done is also positive or the negative. There is again sign convention. If work done by the system, if the work is done by the system, take it as a positive. Take it as a positive. If the work done is by the system, take it as a positive. If the any system does the some amount of work, then suppose that the any system does the 50 joule of work, then you have to take 50 as a plus in the case, or you have to use the 50 as a plus in this above equation. Okay, or if the work is done on the system, if the work W on the system, if the on the system, okay, if the work is done on the system, you have to take it as a negative. Okay, so these are the sign convention you have to use in the above question. Okay, let's move to the question that they were clearly mentioned that the system does 100 calorie of work. Okay, there is a convention. If the system does 100 calorie of work. Okay, we have already discussed that the work is done by the system is taken as a positive, and they clearly mentioned that a system does the 100 joule of work. Okay, so it means the work is done by the system, so you have to take it as a positive. Okay, so it's a 100 of calorie and its sign is a positive. Okay, you can convert just a calorie into joule. One calorie is having a 4.18 of joule, so it's become a 100 of calorie into 4.18, and we got the total value as a it's a 418 of joule. It's clear, and this value is a positive for the above equation. Correct. Okay, let's move to the value of the heat. Okay, they were talking about the heat also. The system absorbs 600 of joule of the heat. It means heat is added to the system, so you have to again take it as a positive. So just about the Q is equal to plus of 600 joule, because it's a heat is added to the system. It is added to the system, so you have to take as a positive. Okay, next move to the equation. Just Q is equal to U plus W. Simple. Put the values, all the values. Q is equal to 600. Simply it's a 600 is equal to U is a change in internal energy. Keep as it is, plus or minus. We got the value of W as a plus 418. So it's a plus 418 1.8. Just to find out for the u, we can easily get the value of the u as a it's a 1, I think 182 of joule. This is the correct value of the internal energy change. We can easily get 600 minus of 418, so it will be give us around the 182 joule. Okay, this is the with the help of the formula, but you can solve this question with the help of concept also. Okay, just to draw the system, just we are trying to drawing the system. Okay, suppose this is the system, this is the system. Suppose system has some energy, it's having some internal energy as a u1. Okay, what the given that the system does 100 calorie of work. Okay, we can get a converted value. We know the what is the value of the work done by the system. System does a 100 calorie of joule, it's become a 418 of joule. Okay, and the system also absorbs the 600 joule of energy, or you can say the heat. This is the heat absorbed by the system, 600 of joule. Okay, we can clearly see that 600 of joule amount is coming to the system, and only the 418 of joule amount is leaving from the system. Thus the system is increase its internal energy by the remaining amount. Okay, the 600s are coming and the only 418 amount will be rejected, or the transfer from the system. The only remaining amount, about the 182 joule of amount, is remaining in the system, which is present in the system, and this amount will increases its internal energy. Initially it's having the internal energy of u1, finally its the internal energy become u1 plus 182 of joule. And what is the change? The 180 joule is the change in the internal energy. Okay, this is the with the help of concept you can also solve.